going to art class right now. Yay! Okay.
Can you see the art from here?
Yes.
We're about to start lesson.
Done with our first what's this called? First task. We didn't succeed, but like
You see what other teams do?
yeah, to cook up something.
So we just did a bio activity. You want to explain what it is?
So basically, they gave us a sequence of genes, and we had to sequence the genes to find a 21 base sequence that would correspond to a given virus.
Yeah. So during bio round, we get to do a lot of like out of syllabus things that help us develop our love for bio.
Yeah, it's really fun.
Raffles Academy is a program that allows students with interest and ability in a subject to stretch themselves beyond the H2 syllabus through additional classes and hands-on learning.
Hi guys! Right now we're going to go for an extra wall lecture by one of our lit teachers, and and that's one of the benefits of our history is that we get to explore things outside of the curriculum to our interest in within the humanities. Yeah.
It changes a lot of what we think about, and I'll talk about the consequences for us. The first learning point that I have for you is that nuclear war is.
Hi guys, right now we're having break and we're gonna go on a waffle run. Isn't it there? Oh, it's year 1-4. Okay, we're going to year 1-4 on a waffle run because we're having break right now. And we're gonna use the class vouchers that we got from Racial Harmony Day. Hello guys, we are all ordering waffles right now.
Okay, so we're in Camp Olympia right now, and in Camp Olympia we do a lot of organic camps. So right now we're doing group work and trying to solve a question. And so this is the question. Basically, we're given like a synthesis pathway, and we have to answer some questions about it. Yeah. Okay, so.
And the school gym is free for everybody to use, and since it's after pros, we decided to come to the gym to run a little bit. Yeah.
Hey guys, it's Niran here again. Okay, so today I'm on my way to CCA. You might be wondering, Niran, what is your CCA? I'm actually in football. So right now we're off to training. I'm heading towards the stadium. Yeah, so we played a match on Saturday against the RI alumni. So we'll be doing a video analysis on the match to find out how we can improve, what other tactics we should implement, and going forward, how to make the team stronger. So I'll see you there.
Serve the line, hurry up! Bro, guys, this is 8.
Hey guys, it's Niran here again. It's Wednesday, so like you might be wondering what's so great about Wednesday. Wait, actually Wednesday is our gap day, so there's actually no like lessons planned for us. So we get time to pursue our interests, wake up late if you want to. So you might be wondering where am I heading off to? I'm actually heading off to school. Not for lessons, but for my Wednesday enrichment program, ISLE. Okay, I'll catch lunch first, then I'll see you at school. Bye. What makes ISLE stand out is that it equips you with the relevant skills to be a competent global citizen. We know a lot of us are interested in serving local communities, but ISLE gives you the opportunity to serve international communities as well. Yeah. Hey guys, we're here in Batam this time. We're just playing volleyball with the children. Like they're very good too. I think they're better than me.
Hi, right now I'm going for CCA. Let's go. Right now we're practicing the stuff that we learned last week. It's for open house.
How do you feel about the session?
It was fun because we were just choreographing for open house. Yeah, it was very fun. Do you enjoy the session?
Yes.
Are you tired?
Not very.
See? CCA is fun. Join RSD. It is really fun.
It's filled with cool people.
And good vibes.
Hi guys! Time check. It's 8:03 with Raffles runway. And today we have our instructor, Miss Adeline. Hi Miss Adeline. And our teacher, Mrs. Cole. And we are going to talk about our designs today as well as model auditions. See you! Hi guys, CCA is over and we're going for lunch now. And we just discussed some stuff for our showcase.
Come watch us next year.
Hi guys! And so today we are going to the Asian Civilization Museum. And we're going to go to the SG Fashion Out exhibit for CCA today. It's a learning journey this time, and so we're like getting out of the school and we're kicking our little feet. Yay! We're at Raffles Place MRT right now and we're waiting for our CCA day. We are in ACM right now